Hi everyone, so this is Midwife Sally. Yes, yesterday I had some questions from the moms in Ghana. No, not moms, some nurses and midwives in Ghana. Okay, some of them told me they are going to have an interview, and so how did I prepare for the Saudi Arabia interview? Okay, so thanks for asking. Okay, so how did I prepare for the interview? One, I didn't know that the interview was in two parts. Okay, that is if it's going to be physical. When you go, this was organized by the Ministry of Health Saudi Arabia, so they came down. When you go, they are going to have a written part and they are going to have an interview as well. So it started with the written part. Okay, that is the first thing. You are given an MCQs, I think about 35 or 50, and they have a pass mark. So when you make the pass mark, I don't know whether it was 50, 60 or 70. Once you make the pass mark, then you can proceed to do the interview. So make sure you learn about, you go through all this MCQs that are online, nursing, midwifery exams. Okay, just go through some MCQs before you go. Then once you pass, they will let you know who has passed, who has not passed at the same time. If you have passed, you proceed to the interview. If you have not passed, I think that they tell you that, oh, you could not make it, and then I think that is the end. Okay, or maybe you can try another time. Yes, so the interview itself, make sure that you address professionally. If you are a nurse, you are already nurse, so you know what to do. Make sure you wear nice dresses. Like that day, I think I was wearing a straight dress, but it was very professional. It was like an office wear. Okay, it was like an office wear. And then what else did I do? I went there prepared. Look straight into their eyes. Answer the questions as it is. Don't be beating about the bush. Show confidence. They would ask about, for me, they asked me about where I work, and then they created scenarios about birth. I wasn't in the labor ward at that time, but they still created scenarios about birth. Okay, a woman is bleeding, what will you do? And sometimes they can ask questions based on where you are coming from, okay, or the ward you work, or whatever specialization you say you are in. So you are in a nurse, they are going to ask you about things that maybe DVT, those kind of diabetes, hypertension, all those chronic conditions that you need tracheostomy, anything, just be ready. Okay, then if you're a midwife, you need to, midwives, we have our own diabetes, preeclampsia, maybe sickle cell bleeding. What is peculiar to us? When a woman is bleeding, what do you do? Like that kind of thing. So you should be ready. You should be able to say how you will manage some of these conditions. And if they ask you specifically where you are, you also answer them. So you should be able to impress them. Okay. And I remember at the end of my interview, she just told me, she just said, see you in Saudi Arabia. And I knew that was it. Okay. I knew that was it. After that, they would go and do what they are supposed to do. Then they will send their offer letter. So this was for the interviews. Please dress well, dress smart. Okay, be confident. When they are asking you the questions, don't be looking somewhere. Look into their face. Try and get relaxed whilst you are entering the interview, and speak well. Okay, so you can just go online, search for how to answer questions during an interview. Once you have passed the exams, please don't let the interview fail you. I don't think they are going to fail you, but please show confidence, show knowledge. Okay, it is nothing difficult. It is nothing difficult. If you are a nurse, you've done diploma in nursing, degree in nursing, we've gone for interview and it has become part of our lives as nurses. If you are a straight degree, please just listen to my advice. Maybe you didn't go to an interview during your admission. Okay, make sure you hold your hair well. Hold your hair well. Be a professional nurse. Okay, hold your hair like when you are going to the ward. Wear a sleep. Don't wear high heels. Make sure the heel is down. Your dress should be professional. It's Saudi Arabia, they don't like exposure, so don't go exposing your body. Okay, you don't have to wear a hijab, but you need to look. You really need to look decent. Decency is their core mark. Okay, so you have to look very decent. Okay, you are coming to look for your friend is saying employment in the kingdom, you have to respect their rules. Okay, so when you do any of these things, whatever, and please make sure you go with your document, maybe your CV, where you schooled and all that, and that will be okay. Your CV, where you schooled, maybe those are the things that they are going to ask, and your documents, so that in case they ask, you will not be found. And your Ghana card, I think they'll always want to have your Ghana card. So please, that is it. Okay. And your Ghana card. Okay, so as I speak, I'm in Saudi Arabia. Please don't be afraid. Pray for the best location, and everything is going to go well. Thank you. Bye.